Hey guys, we received this Poetic Revolution case for Google Pixel 9 for test and try. So this is for the new Google Pixel 9 and it have a built-in screen protector and works with the fingerprint ID. It also have a stand or the kickstand. Let me just open everything and show it to you. So you can see this have a two attachments. So one with the screen protection and the other one is without the screen protection. So you can use whatever you want to use it with and this have this rugged body inside and the thing. So let me just take everything off and take out this outer shell so I can put it with the screen guard. So I prefer using it with this screen guard thing just to avoid the scratch on the screen. So once this thing is out, uh, you can just put in this screen one, remove all this protective stuff. So this is the fingerprint sensor. Just put in the phone with the screen protection, put it in the back, and then it's all done. So you have to be careful in fitting it initially, so that all these things, except like especially this charging port because it have a cover. So you have to just put it nicely on the top so that this will come up with the cover case. So once this is all set, you can see like all the buttons are working properly. The power of button, this is the kickstand. You have to lock it. So you can use it the sideways, like horizontal or vertical. And then from the camera side also this holding well that it will protect the camera and the side corners. So everything is working fine and the charging port have this cover to protect that, the speaker and stuff. So everything is good. So this is a very nice protective cover case and then it holds really well. Everything is working fine with all this socket and the fingerprint sensing. So nice case overall.